channel and welcome to a testing out viral food recipes. So I'm trying out this video for the very first time and ये जो भी सारी viral recipes है मैंने YouTube से ली है, mainly from YouTube Shorts. So if you are interested in this video then please keep watching it till the very end. And now without any further ado, let's get started. उन्होंने ब्रेड लिया है एंड चॉकलेट ली है। चॉकलेट के पीसेस है वो उन्होंने ब्रेड में रख के उसे शैलो फ्राई किया है, तो देखने में काफी ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है एंड कुछ इस तरीके से ये जो पूरा रेसिपी है टर्न आउट हुआ है। अगर ये रेसिपी जिस तरीके से दिख रही है अगर उसी तरीके से टर्न आउट होती है तो ये चॉकलेट लवर्स के लिए बहुत अच्छी रेसिपी होगी। Chocolate pie. It looks quite good, but the problem was that when I was making this chocolate pie, the task was so messy. Like जब मैं इसको बना रही थी, the sides जो इसके जो sides है वो जुड़ नहीं रहे थे आपस में, जिस वजह से काफी ज़्यादा messy हो गया था बनाने में. But at last I made it and let's just taste it how it is. It's tasty. क्योंकि इसके अंदर चॉकलेट है, ऑब्वियसली चॉकलेट विल टेस्ट गुड, सो इट्स टेस्ट इज गुड, बट द फैक्ट इज कि इसको बनाने में मैसी लग रहा था, बट द टेस्ट इज गुड. आई एम गोना गिव दिस वन 7 out of 10. Second recipe we'll be making banana yogurt smoothie, and for that we'll be requiring bananas, milk, yogurt, honey, and we'll mix it and then our smoothie will be ready. So this looks quite interesting, so we're gonna try it and see if it actually works, if the recipe is good or not. So let's go and try this recipe. I don't know how will it taste. It looks good, but I don't know about the taste because for the first time I have mixed the banana with the yogurt, so I am completely unknown about the taste of this smoothie. So let's just drink it and see if it is good or not. It's amazing. Would recommend it to you guys as well. So if you love banana shake and want to try out something different from usual banana shake, then definitely you can try out this recipe. It is very delicious and yet healthy. So I'm gonna give this 8.5 on 10. Before moving further with the video, as you all know that every person is unique with their style, taste, preferences and personality. Just as fashion, wouldn't it be great if you can get a customized fragrance that is only personalized and unique to you? Well, Mamaearth's Emmy perfume have got you covered. So for the very first time you get a unique fragrance for yourself. So this perfume reacts differently on different skin oils and produces a signature scent. It has India's first made safe certified fragrance. As you can see, the packaging is absolutely amazing and it is for both men and women and it lasts for up to 12 hours. Isn't that great? When my mom and dad sprayed this perfume on their hands, the smell was different on both of them, which tells us that it creates a signature scent that is only customized to you. Mamaearth's all products are free from parabens and silicons and are natural, and that's the best thing I love about them. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand, which means they recycle more plastic than they actually use. And every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a tree that they plant, and by 2025 they are planning to plant over 1 million trees. So you should definitely give this product a try, and in case you want to purchase any of their products from their website, you can use my coupon code Bhavika 2022 to get 20% discount on your purchase. Their products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and even on Mamaearth's official website. They too have their own app wherein all the members get access to early sales and great discounts. In case you want to check out this product, then the link is in the description box. Don't forget to check it out and do let me know what do you think about this product. So for the third hack, we are going to make the Maggi bhel, and for that we are going to take the Maggi and उस Maggi को हमें कुछ minutes के लिए रोस्ट करना है एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू ऐड केचप टू द मैगी मसाला एंड फिर जैसे हमारा नॉर्मली भेल बनता है फॉर एग्जांपल टोमेटोज, अनियंस एंड कोरिएंडर लीव्स डाल के उस तरीके से हमें प्रिपेयर करना है। देखने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूनिक एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है। सो लेट्स ट्राई आउट दिस एंड सी इफ इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स और नॉट। Good, and I think if you want to do experiments with your Maggi, if you want to try out something different from the usual Maggi, then definitely this is a recipe that you should try. The taste was good and you will definitely love it if you are a Maggi lover, so you should definitely try out this recipe. I'm going to give this 8 on 10. We are going to make a banana shake, but ये सिंपल बनाना शेक नहीं है, इसमें इन्होंने उसको हेल्दी बनाने के लिए ओट्स भी डाले हैं। तो ये भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा वायरल रेसिपी थी अगेन एंड 3 इंग्रेडिएंट रेसिपी भी है। तो इसमें हमें जैसे नॉर्मली बनाना शेक बनाते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल बनाना एंड मिल्क डाल के एंड शुगर डाल के, वैसे ही बनाना है, बट एक्स्ट्रा जो हमें ऐड करना है दैट इज़ ओट्स, ताकि ये जो पूरा बनाना शेक है विद ओट्स ये हेल्दी बन सके। सो देखने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है एज वेल एज हेल्दी भी होगा अगर ये टेस्ट अच्छा करता है। सो लेट्स ट्राई आउट। Hey guys, so here is my banana oats. So it looks like banana shake, but it's quite thicker than the banana shake. Taste is quite different from banana shake, but I like it and it's also a healthy. For the very last recipe, we are gonna make the कुरकुरे भेल। कुरकुरे भेल के लिए we need कुरकुरे and उसमें हमें वो सारी चीज़ें डालनी है जैसे हम नॉर्मली भेल बनाते हैं, like onion, tomatoes, coriander leaves, lemon juice and all that. Guys, so here is my kurkure bhel. It looks quite good and tempting at the same time. So I'm gonna try it and see if it is good or not. It's good. Spicy is something that I would recommend to you guys because it tastes good, and if you are a spicy lover, you should definitely try it out. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you made it till here, then comment these emojis. And also do let me know which recipe did you like the most. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you next time. Bye.